Hey viewers! We are the Group 5 and we're gonna tackle about basketball, which is one of the most exciting and dynamic sports out there. This sport is also talks about teamwork, skills, and also strategy. So, get ready to learn more about what makes the basketball thrilling. Dribbling in basketball is the skill of bouncing the ball continuously while moving. It allows players to control the ball and advance it down the court without traveling. Dribbling is also an essential part of the game as it enables players to navigate around defenders, create scoring opportunities, and also maintain possession.
A crossover dribble is a basketball move where a player rapidly switches the ball from one hand to other to change direction and evade a defender. This maneuver is effective in creating space and breaking down defensive coverage. When executed with speed and deception, it can leave defenders off balance, potentially leading to scoring opportunities.
The legs, it is a type of dribble whereas player uses it as a technique. So, between the legs refers to a dribbling move where a player bounces the ball from one hand to other by passing it through their legs. So, kani siya nga move is ginagamit siya para ma-protect ang ball sa defenders and para dali ra maka-change og direction and para maka-create sila og space and time to shoot or pass the ball. And napod siya lain pa siya nga name for between the legs or many types of dribbling technique like stationary dribble and crossover. So kani siya nga technique is ginagamit siya sa mga high-end players which is silang Kyrie Irving and Stephen Curry.
In basketball, a behind-the-back move is a dribbling technique where a player dribbles the ball behind their back to create space or change direction.